Welcome to Agno River Basin, upon which Agno River sits. Agno River is extensively about 270 kilometers long, a river flowing over the northern part of the Philippines across so many provinces until it deposits and discharges its water in Lingayen Gulf over to West Philippine Sea. Leverson Brothers Corporation has identified the cause of the constant flooding along Agno River, even as it enters Lingayen Gulf. The company has developed an advanced digital elevation model for the entire plain and has generated an optimized dredging amount in order to address the above challenges and then set the region on its economic green growth using reclamation projects and intend to targeting areas in their need of deepening and beach enhancement, respectively. The company has also identified a research output from notable research institutions such as the UP Training Center for Applied Geodesy and Photogrammetry conducted a research program entitled the National Disaster Risk and Exposure Assessment for Mitigating Programs. Essentially, the company has identified the various assessments being done in Agno River Basin as well as Agno River and identified that dredging Agno River, especially along Lingayen Gulf, will pose threats to biodiversity as indicated in the map. And the company has also identified that the critical area for dredging might lie even extensively down to where the river constantly flows year in and year out. The company has actually identified key strategic development areas that could be done along the beach of Lingayen, as well as the offshore extent to which the sediments have been deposited. One of the major developments that could be attracted to this point include the offshore wind turbine and hydro floating solar panel system. With an average wind speed of about 6.5 miles per hour, more than 10 solar hour output, this zone is qualified as a green energy source environment. Second, oil and gas deposit facility could be installed in this environment. Commercial and industrial space and extending to the Freeport environment could also be developed here. Commercial and recreational space and reclaimed island for ecotourism. Our goal is to create a vast global supply and demand of relevant resources and international trade from the regional and the country as a whole as it connects through strategic global networks seen in the figure here. More and heavy situation in Gulf has hindered the Gulf utilization for regional national coastal conservation and development platform. Hence, Leverson Brothers Corporation proposes a maintenance dredging project to restore, reclaim part of the Gulf and to place it in the global spotlight as one of the most strategic freeport zones in the world.